I would rather you just not have one, other than just fake it, like. DQ gang, what's poppin', man? I go by Dunn.
I'm Quona.
And we are back with another car mukbang video. I miss you up there, man.
You did miss me up. We never did a car mukbang. Oh, you know what? We did a long time ago. So anyway, y'all, guess what we have today?
Smoothie King. I don't know, baby. It seems like it got that dark.
It probably ain't gonna mess up anything, though.
You sure? Should've got a call or something.
This ain't the first time it got dark.
Well, it almost got hit up. Why how the hell wrong with her?
Okay, so when she passed by, that wasn't the scary part. It was how you were looking.
I was looking like I'm finna shoot her.
You were looking like you was about to shit bricks.
Nah, she almost got hit up. For real.
Dang look you gave. Anyway, y'all.
Alright, man, we got Smoothie King today.
And it's different from any Smoothie King we ever had, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
So, normally we get... I had something with pomegranate. I don't even remember what it's called, but they say I ain't have it today.
They said I ain't have pomegranate.
So, we got something different for me.
Me, I tried to do the healthier route, man. You know what I'm saying? So, I got something called Muscle Punch.
Muscle Punch? You got protein?
I think it do. It tastes like yogurt.
How about to say that don't sound good? I got passion fruit.
Yeah, passion fruit. That's what they said.
Mine ain't that bad. It just caught me by surprise. I can taste the mango. Is some mango in here?
Mango.
And mango, I don't really like mango like that.
But hit mine.
Taste mine. Man, that good.
It was alright.
It does taste like yogurt though.
Well, you might drink all your juice like that.
I did. I'm gonna tell you, got more star around. Wait, so how much protein in here?
I don't know. I just saw they got choices up there. They got choices up there. They say healthier choice, working out, and a treat for the day.
Which one a treat for today?
Yours.
A treat? I ain't worked out. I don't need no treat.
But I felt like the healthier one was probably gonna taste like that. What you say you like it?
Mm-hmm. Like if I had to, I'd go back and get this.
Oh. You
can have a treat.
Man, I don't want this. This jump got so many carbs in it, probably.
Okay, y'all, this one give for now.
Muscle up.
Muscle up. Muscle up.
Muscle punch.
Muscle punch, yeah.
Yep.
Cause this right here, it's sweet. You can tell they put something in it that ain't really healthy.
Probably sugar.
You got me one with sugar?
Got you a treat for the day.
I don't want no treat. I want that.
Alright, here you have it. I ain't feeling that one, bro.
Oh, well, good.
I ain't feeling that one, bro.
Why? Just taste like yogurt?
Yeah. Like, I want to taste some fruit, cuz I don't want to taste no fake ice cream.
I taste fruit. I taste...
With strawberries, you know?
I taste banana, too. They got banana in it.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
That's crazy. I can taste all that. But anyway, what we're going to talk about, right?
I saw something on the internet today, and y'all give me y'all opinion, and I'm gonna ask Quona for her opinion because she a woman. But do you know who Gia Casey is? You heard of her?
GL?
Gia, G-I-A, Casey. You know DJ Envy?
Mm-hmm.
That's his wife.
Oh, okay.
She said that she was faking orgasms for 10 years.
Dang.
What I'm trying to figure out is how you do that. First of all, under any circumstances do a woman supposed to do this?
Do they supposed to? I don't know. I guess to make their man feel better. I don't know. How you did it for 10 years, though?
And disclaimer for any kids watching, an orgasm is a hiccup. Like she faked a hiccup for 10 years for all the kids. I know y'all confused, like what is he talking about? Yeah, that's what it's a hiccup.
It's a hiccup. I like the way you put that.
It's just what it is.
Well, I just want to know how in the world, why in the world would she fake it for 10 years?
This is what she said. She said that it wasn't him. She said he was putting it down. He was doing his thing. She said she didn't know how to be pleased.
So, has she had a real orgasm before?
I don't know.
I gotta look this up. This is crazy.
Like, cause they just played bits and pieces. I didn't look up like the real interview. It was just bits and pieces of it.
But you don't have to know how to be pleased to be pleased. Like,
Bruh, that lady was lying, bruh. It ain't no way he was pleasing her.
I don't think he pleasing her.
He probably.
But I don't know. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, baby. I faked it with you before.
What?
I have.
How? When?
You didn't know what you were doing. That was a long time ago. Remember now, we hooked up in the 8th grade. So we've been together forever.
But we wasn't doing it.
You ain't never know. Not then, duh.
We ain't started doing it until we got 28.
Anyway, like you didn't know what you were doing initially, like starting out.
Oh, I dig that. You know, when you 28 years old, man, you kind of inexperienced. You don't know what's
Stop
going on.
lying to these people. You will not know 28.
Man, I'm talking to the kids, man.
Oh.
Not to the grown folk. 28 minus 10. But for the kids, 28. You don't understand what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? So
yeah, so like when I got older, like that's when I experienced a real one. And it was like, it was a different feeling.
Yeah.
But I don't think I needed to know how to be pleased. Like just to, you know, experience it.
What I think DJ Envy didn't know what he was doing. But I guess he's such a big public figure, she couldn't say that like right there. You know what I'm saying? Because I just don't understand that. Like for 10 years though.
I don't know.
That's a long time, bro.
That's a long time.
That's a long time, bro.
So how does she know she's experienced one now if she's been faking it all this time and she said she never had one? Did she say she never had one?
She didn't say she was just like for 10 years of their relationship. Cause you know they've been together for a minute. Like they've been together so long, they got grown children and little children. You know what I'm saying? Like,
was there ever a time he did give her an orgasm? Or if she ever stepped out and like had one then?
She ain't say.
Man, I wanna know. This is crazy.
Like,
That's very
I guess we gotta look at the full interview. Cause I didn't look at the full interview. I just looked at the part where she was like, for 10 years, she hadn't had one, and she was like, she faked it for 10 years, and she was like, it wasn't him. She was like, he was working it, he was doing it, he did his thing.
She was moving like that?
Yeah, she was like, he did his thing.
If you moving like that, that's not doing your thing.
It, you know what I'm saying?
Is she older?
I don't know. She don't look old. But she was like, it was her. She was like, she was like, cause you know we started out dating so young, so you
Let
know.
me see how old these people are, cause DJ Envy look older.
But my thing is, even though y'all started out dating young, how young y'all started out dating? Cause like, alright, let's just say, okay, me and you started dating when we were 14.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they are older.
How old are they?
43.
Oh,
Gia Casey is 43.
okay. Me and you started dating when we were 14, right?
Okay.
So that means 10 years from that is 24. So that means if they start dating at 14 and she ain't had one for 10 years, that means she had her first one when she was 25 and they been dating. I don't know, man.
When they get together?
They real young, cause that's what she was saying. She was like, basically like, we got together real young, so.
I can understand that.
But she still didn't blame him. Like, you just blamed me.
Yeah.
You didn't say, I just didn't know how to receive him. 10 years, bro.
That's a long time to be faking it. I don't know about that.
And that's another thing. Me personally, I would rather you just not have one, other than just fake it, like. Like what?
It doesn't go that way anyway.
I mean, that's probably what she did.
I don't know. I think like she probably had to, cause like how you finish it, you don't. You know what I mean?
Good answer. I mean, she could have blamed it on his stamina or his ability to last, I guess.
But if she put that out there, that's gonna make him look bad. So I guess she went.
I wonder what made.
But either way, it looked bad on him.
I wonder what made her say that. Like they could have just kept that to themselves, bro.
Sometimes women do talk too much. Celebrities like, talk too much. They share too much.
Like I used to carry to my, she wish guys would hit her up.
That was just stupid.
Then folks start telling Steph, love your wife. Love your wife.
People say that for real. It's a big old wasp on this car.
God. Yeah, for real. Yeah, man, but I just.
They were telling him to love his wife.
Yeah, they were like, love your wife, yeah.
Dang, that's crazy.
Yeah, man, I just didn't get that, man. I was thinking like 10 years. You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of y'all women out there probably done faked it once or twice, maybe. But 10 years, bro?
Yeah, that's a long time.
I feel like probably after the first year, you got to have a sit down with your partner and be like, look, listen. You got to get this together.
Wait, so you think the woman should come clean and say?
Yeah, you got to communicate, man.
What?
Communication is the number one key in a relationship. No matter what it's about. I don't care how hard it is. You gotta sit down with your partner and you gotta let them know, look, I've been faking.
I don't think I would say that.
You gotta turn up, cuz.
Well, I know I wouldn't say that, cause when you didn't know what you were doing, I didn't say that.
Well, you better, man, why you keep saying it? Talking about when I ain't know what I was doing, like.
Cause we were young.
You acting like her. Now folk gonna be like, oh no, he know he won't.
We were young.
But they'll cut that out.
Oh, they gonna associate it with.
They'll cut that out. When you didn't know what you were doing, he don't know what he doing. Come over here. Quona, you need to come over here. Girl, I'll get you right, girl. Alright, stop playing.
Okay, I got you.
We were young, bro. We were, and I done said we were 28. Oh my God.
Is that not lie?
It about to be rough out here for me.
No, but when I didn't know how to receive you.
There we go. There we go.
Then, like, yeah, I can understand, but the 10 years is what I can't get.
Like, that's a long
Not
time.
even a year.
Because, let's just be completely real about it, man. I mean, we all grown. It's a lifestyle channel. One of the key factors in a relationship, man, is that, you know what I'm saying? The attraction. You feel what I'm saying? We just gonna say that, the attraction. That's like, what would you say?
Physical attraction.
Physical attraction. What that might be 90%, bro.
That's a lot.
You know what I'm saying? All I'm saying is that, like, you gotta communicate, man. Even with your sex life, communicate.
Can you imagine, like, seeing your significant other down and telling them that, though?
I mean, me personally, I wouldn't want to receive it, but I would want to know. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm being real with you. Like, it's probably hard. Like, all right, sit your dude down. Like, hey, check this out. You remember the other night when you thought you was doing your thing? You really weren't doing your thing, and I faked it.
Oh my God!
Like, that'll be rough. Cause the thing about us fellas, we can't fake it. We couldn't fake it if we wanted to.
Oh my God!
Even if we had it in our mind to fake it, we can't fake it. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? So, if your significant other is basically slacking in that area, sit them down, talk to them. Let them know how you know what I'm saying? How you know what I'm saying?
That's crazy.
How you want the feng shui? You feel what I'm saying? Nothing but I don't know. Join a sex class or something. If that's something, you know what I'm saying? Do like the old folk used to do. Look at a movie. That's what the old folk call them movies. You looking at the movies again?
Some nasty movies?
Yeah, you looking at the movies again? Look at a movie with him.
Why you can't talk to your homeboys?
Talk to your partners. See, Quona got, let them know, like, hey, bro. But see, this the thing. Every man think they God gift to a woman. See, that's what you messing up at, brother. Listen to me, bro. I'm gonna give you the real drift, cuz.
Wait, did he have the audacity to go cheat?
He did. He did cheat.
But for 10 years, okay.
And he wasn't satisfying his own woman. He out there not satisfying somebody else. Ain't that something?
That's crazy right there.
Like, yeah, but like, yeah. So, yeah, man, I'm like, talk to your homeboy.
That's probably why she came out with this story, too.
You might be right, baby. But my thing is, and I don't mean to just drag this, but like, how he didn't know she was faking it, though? Like,
did you know I ever faked it?
I mean, I didn't know that, but I know like it's levels. I ain't crazy. Like, it's levels, bro. Like with anything, it's levels, bro. The more practice you get in, the better you gonna get at it. That's with anything. You feel what I'm saying? So I ain't no fool. But my thing is 10 years though. That's a long time.
That is a long time.
That's a long time. 10 years.
I can't believe, like, I don't know. If I were her, I probably would have sat him down and said something. Or cheated one. I don't know. I wouldn't have been in the relationship.
You a savage, folk. You just a savage.
I'm saying if I were her.
You said you would have cheated, cuz.
If I were her.
She probably did cheat. She probably wasn't gonna say that, though.
Like, I'm satisfied, so I ain't got to.
I know, but you saying, like, if you won, though.
Cause, like.
You in trouble around him, boy.
You need that. You need to be satisfied. I need that kind of satisfaction.
That's a fact, though.
But I'm good, so.
We're gonna wrap this video up, but don't be afraid to sit down with your significant other and talk about that aspect of y'all's life. Yeah. Because it matters. You know what I'm saying? We don't know the percentage, but it's almost to 100. I'm gonna say that. You know what I'm saying? It matters a lot, man. Like
it's significant.
It is. Like a lot of people don't say, it's what's in here. It's what's in here. Okay. And I ain't gonna say what I want to say, but I'm gonna say this right here can't pay no bills, and it can't you know what. Not this right here. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, man, y'all better get right, bro. Get right. Sit down, talk. Don't be afraid to communicate on whatever. Because at the end of the day, man, y'all gonna basically get closer. You might argue, you know what I'm saying? Especially when you're dealing with a bullheaded man who feel like everybody else want complaining. See, bro, don't say that, bro. Because, see, then you messing up. You messing up then. Don't say, just take it. They be like, all right, babe, I got you. You know what I'm saying? What we need to do. How can I fix this? You feel what I'm saying? Or like Quona said, go talk to your partner. Ask your partner like, you know what I'm saying, bro? She told me I wasn't doing it, bro. What you think? Don't tell him too much, cause if he really ain't your partner, then he gonna be sliding over there to your crib. That's a whole nother story. Then you gonna be wondering why she always want him over. But anyway, that's the end of this video, man. DJ Envy, I don't know, dog. Cause you 43, bro.
The wife is. I ain't looking at
you ain't got about what? Oh, she 43.
I don't know how old
43? DJ.
Yeah.
She shouldn't be trying to do nothing anyway.
That's too old.
What?
Boy, you crazy.
No, I'm just playing cause I know our audience is broad. I'm just playing with y'all, man. Y'all don't be like, what you think? 43?
Oh, he's 44.
43, I can take them. Dang, 43, the age ain't nothing but a number. I can hear y'all now.
Now, when we turn 43, you gonna be like...
I'm gonna be looking like this. Young and crazy, looking crazy. I'm like, now he know he ought to stop looking young. Anyway, man, appreciate y'all for watching this video, man. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that talk. Until the next video, man, y'all make sure y'all stay blessed. Y'all follow your dreams, man. Don't throw in the towel just yet. Sit down with your significant other. Y'all have a convo about whatever it is y'all need to have a convo about. You feel what I'm saying? Anything you want to say, Moon?
Make sure you turn on your post notification. And if there are any stories or any topics that you feel like we should comment on, or just discuss on camera, just let us know.
And we gonna do that for sure.
Absolutely.
Comment, like, subscribe. Shop at ImperiumLets.com. See you on the next one.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power.